all set.
Mm.
Okay, on the food colour first.
Alright, so would you like to share what you've added? Deacon, what have you written, mate?
The food dye is going to change colour.
Going to change colour, alright.
What's going to change colour?
The water.
The
Deacon,
water?
can I write that next to yours? Is that okay? The food dye is going to change colour. Is that what you wrote?
Change the water colour?
Who else would like to share something? Food dye is going to change colour.
Chloe?
Beautiful, thanks, Deacon.
They will change again.
They would change again.
What would
Okay.
change, the water or the oil? The water? You think the food dye is going to go in the oil to the water? Okay.
I hope I
Anyone
don't
else?
call
Megan?
They'll both change.
They'll both change. How do you think will both change?
Maybe first
you out. Is that what
because
you've written?
the water's
Yeah.
heaviest. Maybe the water first and then the oil.
Oh, okay. Jordan?
Deacon dipped his hand in and wiped it on the carpet.
Don't.
Oh, maybe we need to take a point off for that. Alright, we're ready for our food dye?
Yeah.
Now we've got 4 different colours.
You're going to hold 4.
Alright,
So you go the 3 people and I'll go the other.
yeah, great. Put your hand up if you would like blue. Alright, good. Keep your hand up if you'd like blue. I've got Megan.
Only Megan?
Yeah, I'm going to start with next colour. Do you want to colour
Okay.
next colour?
Red. Who would like red?
Right, I'm going to put blue in yours.
Would anyone like red?
Actually, I want blue.
Okay, that's fine. Great, thank you for bringing that over.
Next is
Okay.
blue. Oh, you want blue?
Does
Green.
everyone want green maybe? Or
Yeah,
yellow?
green.
Oh,
Green?
Green.
Hand up as well.
thank you for putting your hands up, girls. That's great. Right, ready? I'm going to give them 4 drops, okay, to start with, Nikki.
I'm going to close my eyes so I can't see.
2. Good idea. So,
Have a lie down, have a look through your
So it'll be a
glasses.
surprise.
The top is very hard to see.
alright, Megan, yours is ready.
Oh my god, look at mine! That's weird! Just skin! That's creepy! It's lily pads. Oh my
Alright,
gosh,
ready, Jordan?
red lily pads.
Lily pads.
Red
Well, that's
lily
interesting.
pads. Oh man.
They're
saying
like
circles.
So have a look.
This one's
I
stuck.
like how Declan's looking at the side of his
Oh,
glass.
Can I have a green?
Yeah.
Two.
Have a green.
It's a little circle.
Oh, you need red. Alright. Who doesn't have... does everyone have one apart from
Here you go,
Declan?
have a look.
Can you put it down?
Deacon looks. It's a little.
Do they all have one colour? Nikki, you didn't have 2? Or...
They've all got one colour.
Okay, great. Perfect.
Anyone? Yellow?
Alright, have a look. We're just having a look, investigate.
Can I
So
quickly
look-
tell something?
You can once you've had a look, okay, Jordan?
I already did.
And I like how Deacon's looking, instead of lifting his jar up, because we're not actually meant to be lifting our jars up, I like how he's looking down at the side to see what's going on.
That's what I was going to
So
say.
Deacon, you can have a point for that.
When you look down,
It's been a really good time.
it actually makes the little dark bubbles go into 2 when you look sideways.
Ah!
It'll make it go
So
into
you have
2.
You had 4 bubbles, but today look like 2 at the moment.
Yeah, so it's like 8 bubbles, but
Put
it's
your hand
actually
up if
4.
you know what the bubbles
There's
are.
3.
Listening up, put your hand up if you know what the dark bubbles are in your mixture. Yes,
They
Deacon.
look like black because you put them the food dye in. They make dots.
They do. Alright. So did anyone guess the right answer in there? Predict the right answer?
I got like half.
What did you write, Jordan?
Will go dark and the oil will stay around.
Oh, so the
So
oil's
the
still at the top,
is
isn't it?
staying around.
And so,
So I get another
listen
point.
up, what are the dark bubbles? Put your hand up if you know what the dark bubbles are in the oil. So those dark dots that you've got in your oil, put your hand up if you know what they are. Chloe.
Like that.
They're the food dye. So the food dye have stayed in dots. What happens when you normally add food dye to water?
Yeah, we did this
The
last
water
week.
changes for colour.
The whole water changes colour, doesn't it? But has your oil changed colour?
No.
Oops,
I've got
this
half.
one's already.
Right, so I should
Oh,
get another
That's
point.
right.
Cool.
Okay.
Now we're going to do what?
Now, listening up.
I
We're kind of here in part of but that's okay. Thank you, Devlin, who's ready to listen. Thanks, mate. Devlin can have a point because he's ready to listen. Alright, I guess he's not calling out, he's waiting for me.
I got another point before.
Oh, but we need to take a point off for calling out, unfortunately. Okay. Alright, the next part that we're going to do is we're going to grab a skewer each, and with your little food dye droplets, oh, you just got one that's popped. You are going to poke your food dye through the oil into the water. And I want you to have a think about what will happen when you poke the food dye droplets with your skewer.
And
Now,
Devlin's and Deacon's give you a hint.
can you
I
write
love that word,
Jordan?
burst.
So we've got our sentence, when the food dye droplets are poked with a skewer,
Yours burst too.
Can you finish the sentence, everyone, before we do this part?
And while you're doing the sentence, why do you think Deacon's and Devlin's already burst? What do you think happened? How did it, Jordan?
Because it's
yours
popped.
is
Yeah? Like how?
Because they went all together and bubbles are just like air, and so they will just pop.
Yeah.
Alright.
You could say that the food dyes move down through the oil very slowly.
One of mine is popped, and it actually made all that. So I've still got 3 in the middle. So one.
Hand on head if you're ready to do the popping. If you finished your sentence, put your hands on your head so we can do it before the rest of them do it by themselves. Ready? Hands on heads. Hands on heads. Have they? Do you need some more for me to...
So one pop makes all that.
Oh, they have all popped. Let's give you some more.
Do we pop?
Yeah, you pop all the
You
bubbles.
just poke the food dye, not stirring, because that's not going to
Right,
happen.
there you go. You've got heaps.
I
Ready?
popped
Poke
mine.
your skewer. Have a look at what's happening.
When you're pushing the food dye down, you're pushing it through the oil into the water.
That looks
Mine
awesome,
all of
Jordan.
mine pop.
Oh, but we don't want to mix it just yet. We just want to, because
Well, look,
we want to
it
just...
makes it